Hello everyone. So Young Brook here. So I'm going live today with very late, but this is the plan for me to go to share with you what's going on. So I have been working on this for a long time, and this is the time for me to go and share with you. The next 2 weeks I am going to have the I'm going to have the 4-day challenge where I help hairstylists and hair salon owner grow their business, but also get the right team and the right people into work for you and bring high revenue for your business. And I keep saying that I have been working really hard. Every night I say to all of you that I stay up late until 2-3 a.m. to working on it to make sure until then I have in the next 4 weeks. It will be start on 24 of this month, July. Hello. Let me see who is that. Nadia. How are you? So yeah, I just shared that today is the first day I actually post and announce for everyone know that what's going on in the next 2 weeks. So I will have the 4-day challenge where I help hairstylists and hair salon owner attract new clients every day. But also in deep, I will share that 4 days. In 4 days, I share everything, and I share a lot, like how to attract high paying client, what kind of content should you post, what kind of business model you need to go through with, and why people ask why I cannot have profits. So I will answer all of that question for you in that 4 days. But also the big pain point right now for hair salon owner have is not like cannot hide the staff, but hide the right hairstylist, but also retain hairstylist. The big thing that I can see. So that's why I am here on 4-day challenge. I will share with you, and I actually help you. If you go through with that, you will see that what I share, you can implement that and make change, and you will see that is the game changer for your business. And I could always say that I wish when I just start my business, someone that share that with me. But it's okay for me that because I'm so passionate about that. So now today I get into the point that I love it and I can't wait to share with you. But let's say that I share with you quickly that 3 things that for you to do and make change to get high paying client for your business. In particular, that you get high paying client on social media. I go live on Facebook and Instagram in the same time, and I use 2 different phones. So sometimes I look here. So hopefully you okay with. Okay, so 3 things that I share with you to help you to actually implement and make change so you can get like attract high paying client into your business instead of client that always try to ask for discount or lower price. So here's what you need to do. Number 1 thing, you need to upgrade for your bio, for your bio, for your specialize, what actually you do in your business, and here's what you do and what you don't. Do what you do, that you just need to write the specialize, what actually you really good at and specialize on. Okay, that is number 1, that new client that they come to your social media, they really want to see what actually problem you can solve for them. Let's say that someone, they look blonde specialist. They just want to looking for someone that write in their bio, I am specialized on blonde. And that client, when they actually read it, they see it, they will look at also your social media, and then that's make them trust because they believe you are specialized, you are good about that. That make them trust you. All right. So the second thing that is social media, you need to write down the bio that what you are specialized, change the bio. This is the you do, but what you don't, you should not write. I do everything, haircut, color, styling, massage, wax or eyebrow wax or skin, whatever. You write in like that, which is what I say, that in generous. When you do it to generous, that people will not thinking that you are very good at something, so they will not trust you as much. But if you are specialized, number one, they trust. Number two, that they believe you are good about that. So that's why they're happy to pay for your skill, because you are so good and specialized on it. As you know, if you know that when you actually go to see the doctor, right? If you have the real problem for your health, whatever, who do you want to go? You don't want to go to, if you have general, you can go GP doctor. But if you have something particular, you need to go to the specialized doctor. And when you go to specialized doctor, sometimes you have to wait for 2, 3 to 6 months. And how much it costs for that? Of course, it's expensive. So that's why I share with you all that. Change your bio. That's step number 1. Number 2, update your picture. Your picture, what is that? Again, if you actually do with specialize on blonde, balayage, keratin, hair extension, whatever, and that is your specialize, get a good photo for it, clean, look clean, and can see the contrast, can see on the nice clean color. But also when you actually post those picture, post that 18, follow the rule 80-20 rule, that update like 80% you're specialized. All right, 80% you're specialized, 20% that for personal life. That's what I say. So if you, that's number 2, that you update your picture and follow that rules. Okay, and that why, but you might ask why you need to do that, because most of the time, in particular hairstylists, as you know, the client searching on social media to find out balayage, color correction, or blonde, whatever, they most of the time they look at the picture, and when they get into your page and they look and they say, oh, this salon does not do much color or does not much blonde, because they search for blonde specialist. They want to see that like at least 60, 70, 80% of blonde. That's make them trust you more. So update your picture, post a lot of picture on your specialized. And here's what you don't post too much personal life, but also don't post too much general service, like just the haircut, the hair trim, blow dry, styling, waxing or nail, whatever. Don't do that. Just do focus on specialized, because of course when you know that the client, the people actually they pay high for ticket client, they pay higher price, their need is different, what they want is different, their behavior is different, everything is different. And if you understand actually what the client, the high ticket client, what they want, what their behavior, you understand that, you will give what they want. And I'm telling you that it just make client to trust you so much. That's what I'm happy to pay. So that's why I say, if you can update the picture for your social media, if you are specialized on blonde, 80% blonde, 20% personal life, whatever, kid, dog, whatever you want to post, but focus on your specialized. So that's why the client, that when they actually come to your page, they saw that you are good at that, and then they're happy to they already have trust, then they're happy to pay higher price for you, for your business. Okay, what next? That are 2 things I share. Number 1, that change your bio, which is what your specialize is. Number 2, that upgrade your picture, follow 80-20 rule. That's number 2. By the way, just remind you that who is just jumping in here, that for you to know that I'm running that 4-day challenge where I share with hairstylist and hair salon owner that how to attract high-paying client every day, okay, for your business. With that say, if you want to join that, either you on Facebook, comment below, just say challenge. If you are on Instagram, check my bio. It's the link on the bio that you can sign up and then you can join the challenge in the next 2 weeks. It's 4 days. 4 days, I go deep. I share everything deep for you so you can learn and implement that for your business. All right, so that is number 2 that I share. Number 3 here. Get high value review, customer review. Get the high value customer review. Why review is so important? All right, why review is so important? And I say that most of my clients, when they come with me and when they actually go on social media and they read it, and most of the time I ask them, hey, can you tell me how do you found me? And they say, oh, I searched you on Google, I searched on your Facebook, or sometimes I just jump on Facebook and well, oh my God, my phone is nearly dead. I don't know, just go and we'll see how you go, okay? So when they come in and they ask that and they say, okay, I look at your profile and I read every single testimonial on social media and I say, yep, you are the one to help me. And with those clients that they don't ever say that, can you do lower price when you do cheaper or give me a discount, whatever. They don't, because they look at my social media, they knew that I'm specialized on blonde, balayage, color correction specialist and hair transformation specialist. That's what I do. And balayage dark out to blonde in one section. So that's what I do. So that's why when they look at that, they trust on me. So that's why when they come in and they say, okay, whatever you charge, I'm happy, because I see that most of your clients happy with your results. So that's why I don't care. So with that say, that's what I say, how important about testimonial. The testimonial, I could say that I can say, oh, I'm good, but does not mean anything if the client write what I can do for them that build trust 100%, then I'm saying I'm good. So that's why this is, I think, that is can implement for all type of business. For everyone, it's not only for hairstylists, okay? For you to actually implement that for your business to attract high-paying client. Number 1, update your bio, write what you are specialized of. Number 2, update the picture, what you specialize, and follow the rule 80-20. And number 3, get more high-value testimonial for your social media, either Facebook or Google review. All right, so if you want to learn deep inside of what actually I go through, 4-day challenge in the next, in 24 of this month, July, click to the link below on my bio or just comment below challenge. So I will send you the link so you can join and learn and bring your business to the next level. All right, bye for now. My phone just about to finish battery. So, all right, bye for now. Have a good night, everyone. Bye.